In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Fidelity 1099 data into TurboTax. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign in to your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the return you want to work on before moving forward, so the tax documents import into the correct place. If TurboTax asks you to continue a return that's already in progress, go ahead and open it so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside TurboTax, navigate to the Income and Expenses section. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of income you may need to report on your tax return. From there, look for the Investments and Savings area and open it. This section is specifically used for things like brokerage statements, investment income, and tax forms such as 1099s. Next, click Add Investments. This tells TurboTax that you want to bring in information from a financial institution rather than entering everything manually. Importing can save time and help reduce typing errors, especially if your 1099 includes multiple transactions or several pages of details. When the import window opens, click into the search box and type Fidelity. As you type, TurboTax should begin showing matching financial institutions. Select the Fidelity option that appears so TurboTax knows where to retrieve your tax forms from. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Fidelity credentials. Enter your Fidelity login information carefully and follow any additional security prompts that may appear, such as two-step verification or an identity confirmation screen. This part is important because Fidelity may require extra verification before allowing TurboTax to access your tax documents. Once you've signed in successfully, TurboTax will automatically pull in your 1099 data from Fidelity. Depending on your internet connection and the amount of information being imported, this may take a few moments. Give it a little time to finish and avoid closing the browser while the import is in progress. After the import completes, review the information that appears in TurboTax to make sure everything transferred as expected. Even when the import works smoothly, it's always a good idea to compare the imported details with your original tax documents for accuracy. That's it. By opening Chrome, signing into TurboTax, going to Income and Expenses and then Investments and Savings, choosing Add Investments, searching for Fidelity, and logging in, you can